Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura TL door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Begin by finding and gently prying off the small screw covers. You will typically find one behind the door pull handle, another small cap under the armrest, and sometimes one near the tweeter. Use your trim tool to avoid scratching the finish. Now, with the covers off, you can access the screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove all exposed screws. There are usually 2 screws behind the door pull handle and 1 screw located under the armrest. Once all screws are out, take your trim removal tool and carefully work your way around the bottom and sides of the door panel, gently prying to release the plastic clips holding it in place. After all the clips are disengaged, the door panel will be loose. Gently lift the entire panel straight up to unhook it from the window channel at the top. With the panel slightly away from the door, carefully disconnect all electrical harnesses, such as those for the power window switch and the door light. Finally, detach the door handle cable by releasing its small clip and sliding the cable free from its housing. To reinstall your door panel, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cable, ensuring they are securely fastened. Carefully align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel, then press firmly around the edges to re-engage all the plastic clips. Finally, replace all screws and their covers, being careful not to over-tighten them, which can strip the plastic mounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.